Hey guys, I just got this TP4B pouch from Veto. I got the blackout version because I thought it looked nicer and it was only an extra $5. This is my first Veto product, so I'm pretty excited to see how it goes out on site with me. So yeah, let's load it out with some tools. So let's start with some screwdrivers. I won these screwdrivers from Hager. If you follow me on Instagram, you would have seen that I won these off their Christmas giveaway. But yeah, there's just something different. They stand out, so not the same as everyone else, sort of thing. So I'll give them a go. Nipex Ergo strip. Been using that a lot lately. Slip that in there. This, been using that a lot lately. Handy. Unilight. Handy. Nipex wire strippers. Side cutters. Needle nose pliers. It's a nice snug fit. Flush cuts. Yeah, small terminal screw. Stick that there. Nico labeling cables. Bolt stick. And just got some BPs, which is come in handy sometimes. Just slip them in there. And yeah, that's about it. Thanks for watching, guys.